Hello and welcome to my handcrafted corner. Today we are going to make this beautiful little hearts crochet pattern. It is made in a 2-color combination, but you can use as many contrasting colors as you want or need for your project for these little hearts. You can also use some scrappy yarn if you have as well. This is how it looks on the back. Let's get started. For this project, we are going to use a 3.5 millimeters hook, and we will start our work with a slip knot. And we will chain multiple of 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The third, and the last one in my case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I have completed 24 chains, and now we will skip this first chain and go into the second one and work 1 single crochet. The same into the next one. Three, and we will work single crochets in each chain. One, two, three, 4, 5, 22, and 23. So for our first row, we have 23 single crochets. Since we have skipped the first chain, then next we will chain 1. We will turn the work, and we will work in each stitch that we have made on the previous row another single crochet on top of it. So we will skip this first chain and go into the second stitch here and work 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 22, and 23 here at the end. And we have completed row 2. Next, we will chain 1, turn the work, and start row 3. We will join the new color, and for this we will skip again the first chain, go into this next stitch and work a single crochet, and 4 more, in total 5 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here at the 6th one we will go into the stitch, grab this second color like this, make a loop, but we will complete this single crochet in the main color like this. And our first heart motif is complete now. We will carry both these yarns in the back of the work in order to hide them. So we will go and work again 5 single crochets in the main color. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 here. And on the 6th one, we will go into the stitch, grab the color and make a loop, and complete the single crochet in the main color, like this. And then again, we will continue to work 5 single crochets. 1, 2. So as you can see, this will be our repeat for this third round. Work 5 single crochets in the main color and then make the first loop in the contrasting color or in the second color and complete the 6th single crochet in the main color for 1, 2, 3 times. So we are on our third repeat now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here we will work in the second color the first loop of this single crochet, and then we have completed 3 repeats, and then we will work 5 single crochets in the main color. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 here. This last stitch is a bit tight. And we have completed row 3. This is how it looks on the back. We can cut this yarn here. Now, if you want to work in multiple colors, you can cut the second color and join the other color next. But I will continue to work with this second color and I will carry the yarn with me. So we will chain 1, turn the work, and start row 4. For row 4, since this is the back of the work, we will keep the yarn in front of our work, so in front of us, and we will skip the first chain here, and we will work single crochets across our entire row and also hide the yarn. So we will have to go with the hook like this in order to hide it. So we will make the first single crochet and also carry the yarn. So 1, 2, 3, and we will continue to work like this with single crochets for a total of 23 stitches, and at the same time carrying this second color with us. And here at the end 23. And we have completed row 4. Next we will chain 1, turn the work, and we will work again with the second color. So we will skip the first chain, work into the next stitch, 1 single crochet, 2 stitches. Here at the third one we will attach the new color, the second color, and complete the single crochet in the main color. And then we will work 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here again we will work the heart motif, and then again 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And here work the heart motif in the same way, and then again 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And here work the last heart motif for this row, for row 5, and then 2 more single crochets only in the main color. 1 and 2. Chain 1, and from here we will repeat this sequence of 4 rows. So the one with the single crochets here, the second row, the third, then next the fourth, and the last the fifth row in the same way. So we now have to turn the work and make a row of single crochets only in the main color. Skip the first chain and go into each of the single crochets from below and work another single crochet. Like this. And you can repeat this sequence of rows for as many times as you need. I will make a few more repeats and I will show you how it looks at the end. I have completed my repeats 1.5 times. So I have repeated this sequence one more time here, and after that I have repeated half of the repeat sequence, so only row 2 and 3, because I want to end the pattern with the heart motif in these places. But if you want to end with the heart motif in this place, you will repeat row 4 and 5 one more time, so you will complete one more time an entire repeat. Chain 1, and also We can cut the yarn now because we have completed working with the contrasting color, and we will make 2 more rows with single crochets. So skip the first and then work single crochets across our entire row. So 23 single crochets in total, and 1 more single crochet here at the end, chain 1. We will turn the work and we will make 1 more row with single crochets. Skip the first, go into the next and start our last row of single crochets and our last row for this pattern. And 1 more single crochet here at the end. We can now cut the yarn and this is our final project. This is a little sample of this pattern, the little hearts pattern, and this is how it looks on the back. Happy crocheting!